up, guys, and welcome to a new episode. I am Jerome from the Bonsai Supply, and I wanted to share with you some moments from our bonsai holidays. It is a December event that benefits the local animal rescue, and we had a bunch of artists that came together for that, and we had a lot of fun for the raffle, a styling competition, and as well a demonstration by Adam Levine. So please go ahead and enjoy. I'll catch you guys next time.
Is that good?
Yeah. Good.
Any questions?
Where are you going to be doing today?
See, this is my biggest fan. So we're working on a Juniper. It's for Cummins Nana. It looks like it was in a octagonal pot at one point, or they took a machete and cut it down. I just took it out of here, so it was done not too long ago. And I think Jerome picked probably the most complex Juniper I could do in 45 minutes. So I'm going to do a lot of working and not a lot of talking, which is good for you guys because I have really bad jokes that I usually tell. So as you can tell, my biggest fan. And since Jacob is sitting right here, he's going to help me with the tree and and peel bark and stuff. Okay. So first thing I'm gonna go through and just pick branches and make some gins and deadwood. Quick thing about juniper, you tend not to want to work on them when they're really actively growing, because if you take and put wire, see, this one's good, this is not bad. The bark becomes slippery, is what the term we all use. And what that means is there's like a layer of sap that gets in between the wood and the bark, and when you put wire on it and you go to twist it, it just rips the bark right off. So you have to be careful working on junipers at the wrong time. So that's about all I can do in 40 minutes.
Very cool.